Lucknow, the city of Nawabs and Kebabs. Tourists from all over the world come to Imambara, and it is the most visited place in the city Lucknow. So this name is called as Bara Imambara of Lucknow is one of the most famous monuments in the city. The Imambara is primarily known for its incredible maze known as Bul Bulaya locally, which is located on the upper floor of the monument. It is said that there are 1024 ways to get inside the maze, but only 2 ways to come out. Also known as Hasfi Imambara, after the name of the Nawab of Lucknow, who got it constructed. It is an important place of worship for the Muslims who comes here every year to celebrate the religious festival of Muharram. Said to be the world's largest structure that is unsupported by beams, the Bara Imambara is considered a marvel of engineering and a fine specimen of Mughal architecture. The Imambara has a unique style of construction. Moreover, no wood or metal has been used in the construction of this mosque. One can also have a view of the grave of Nawab and his crown, which is kept in a central hall, which is said to be the largest vaulted chamber in the world. Now, some of the few amazing facts about this Imambara. The monument has more than 1000 passages and around 489 identical doorways. If you take a guide, he lets you guess which of the 4 doorways is the right door. When you are walking along the long passages with the doorways at frequent intervals, you also come across the central hall. You can enter the hall from outside too, but when you take the long passages, you end up in the balconies of the central hall. This hall is built with amazing techniques. When you stand at one end of the hall's balcony, the other person goes to the other end of the balcony. He lights a match from that end and you can hear him light it so precisely at this end. This is possible because of the grooves created in the ceiling. They allow the sound to travel from one end to the other. Not only that, the walls of the passages are built with great weight. The other person asks you to lean on the wall with your ears keenly pressed against the wall, while he walks a long distance ahead and whispers something into the wall from his position. It will surprise you how you can hear every word that he whispers. It's not that easy, he says it's loud enough for it to be heard otherwise. He walks really far enough and literally whispers into the wall. They say this was how people overheard the conversations back in those days. When you finally reach the top level of the Bara Imambara, it's so fantastic and breathtaking. You can see the whole of Lucknow at once. You can see the Darwaja nearby, a masjid, and a Husainabad clock tower and every other monument that stands there. It's a beautiful experience. But there's a catch around. The best time to visit Bara Imambara is in the winters. In the summers, it will be really suffocating if you are there inside the maze, and it's always better to make a visit in the winter. So the better time will be this October, November, December, January, February. Up till February and March it's fine. So beyond March, for the next 4-5 months it will be too hot, so you will be really suffocating. So that's all about this video. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Also share these videos to your friends. Thank you very much.